Okay, welcome back to Joint Chinese. In the coming 15 minutes, 20 minutes, we're gonna learn the tune Sanji. I don't know what's the meaning of it, but I would like to call it the third tune change. Okay, third tune, which means the third tune. Sure. Change, which means it will become some other tunes. Yeah, as you see, this, excuse me, third tune will become second tune. Okay, first we just have a look. This is ni, right? This is should be easy to read separately. 好，你好，you good. It's just the Chinese way of greeting someone, like saying hello. I wish you good. Okay, 你好. You find it when Chinese people read it, they will not read it very slowly and saying 你好, not in this way. Okay, not like the foreign learners. 你好, incorrect. Not incorrect, you are correct, but we are not speaking in your way. We're gonna just speak 你好,你好,你好,你好. Have you noticed that when I'm saying 你好, it seems that I'm pronouncing the 你 not in the third tone. Are you sure? 你好. I'm pronouncing it in the second tone. I'm saying 你好. What? 你好. Right? Have you noticed that? 你好. Correct? And the next example is 可以. Right? 可以. But when you ask the Chinese people, can I pass my exam? And your tutor says, 可以. Can I buy some drink? And the boss says, 可以. You find he's not saying 可以. He's saying 可以. He's saying 可second tone 可以. And what I am doing is 辅导 tutoring. I'm now tutoring you. 辅导. Third tone. But in Chinese, I would say 我正在辅导. 导 is the same, but I'm not reading 辅导. Even I'm not sure if you can feel it, but as Chinese, if I read it really in the third tone, I will feel very weird. 辅导. Okay? Actually, in Chinese, because we can speak Chinese before we know the theory of the Chinese language. Okay? So if you ask this rule to normal Chinese people, especially if they are just normal laborers, they might even never notice these rules. They know how to use it. All of them, they will apply it, but they might not notice it. Even they reach their age of 20, 30, even 50s, they haven't noticed that they are applying these rules. But unfortunately, I do not know why the HSK and all the Chinese authorities, which in charge of teaching who teaching non-Chinese speaker Chinese language, they really like to emphasize this sector. It is not something really important, but they very like it. They always focus on here. It is 100% you will have this issue about this, the question have this regarding this issue in your exam. It's 100% sure. But just remember, when you see 2 of the third sound, you have to change it into second tone, third tone. You change 3-3 to 2-3. Okay? Change the first one. Change the first one. Okay? Okay, again, I think my example is in the next page. Read the following words aloud and pay attention to the change in the tone of the third tone syllables. Okay? If you just see one third tone, do not change it. Okay? Excuse me. It stands alone. Okay? It's still the same. Do not become confused. It changes when 2 of the 3 sound third tone together. When it is standing alone, don't change it. You know, some foreigners, they get confused. Okay, only the 2 third sound together. You change the first one. Okay, 3-4. Okay, or 2-3. You do not change any of it. Okay, only 3-3. You change the first 3. Okay. Okay, we see some examples. How to read it? 呢一你和熬好. Isn't it a 3-3 together? Okay, so you should change it into 2/3. Okay, so you should change the first one into second tone, and the second, third tone remain. Okay, it becomes 你好. Okay, you good. 你好. Okay. Okay, here I think they just want us to read. How to read it? 可以. Right? So when you see a 3-3, you need to change it into 2-3. Okay? So you're gonna read it 可以辅导. Okay, it's again 3-3. Right? You should change it into 2-3. 辅导. Next one. I wonder why they write it in this way. Okay. Isn't it a third one? So you change the first, the third tone into second tone. 小姐, which means miss. Of course, it have other, different meanings. Okay, according to the development of China, it have different meaning. But originally, this one means miss. 小姐. You have to change it into second tone. 小姐.口. This one read O. O. Just like the English letter O. 口, third tone. 口语. 口语, which means spoken spoken English or spoken language. Yeah, spoken language. 口语. 2/3, 2 of the 2-3, you have to change the first 3 into 2, right? 口语. 语法, which means language law, which means grammar, right? 语法, you have to change it to 语法. 语法. Next one, okay, it's get reversed. 法语. 法 means français, okay, français. 语 language, Français language, it means French language, French. Okay. 法语 this one is 语法，语法，法语。好，好。To beg, good, which means to please. 讨好 change into second tone. 讨好 change to 讨好。了解 to know, to understand. Change into 了解。友好 which means friendly. Change the first one 友好。雨 which means rain. 伞 umbrella. Rain umbrella. Umbrella. 雨伞，雨伞。Still, here is O. 手 this is the 诗 okay, just like when you say she, she, 诗欧，诗欧手。一凹腰，不腰标，手表 change 手表 okay. Okay, yeah, next time we're gonna learn the basic strokes about of the Chinese kanji. So which means next small class we're gonna learn how to write some Chinese. Okay, okay, yeah, see you, bye bye.